that pretty, that Christmas tree? Is that pretty? Oh, leave the skirt there. Layla! Layla! What are you doing? What's wrong?
Just gonna leave it there.
Oh my god, look at her. She's waving her hands in the arm and going in circles. Uh-oh, SpaghettiOs. Layla.
As much as we gonna fight over my tree skirt.
Layla, that goes under the tree.
I was worried about the tree. You notice I have no decorations?
Right.
I have none from here down.
Where are you going? You chasing the dogs?
No. No.
You gotta leave it alone, baby.